Hi everyone! In this video, I'll be sharing how I lift my round hooded eyes with makeup. If you have the same or similar eye shape as me and have been wondering how you could achieve a lifted eye look, I hope you enjoy this video. I will be using these products, mainly tape, eyeshadow, eyeliner, and false lashes, which can be found at the drugstore. Before starting, I'm priming my eyelids with primer and loose powder. First, I'm using a regular single-sided tape. Take about an inch of tape and stick it on your hand several times to make it a little less sticky. Before applying the tape, make sure to check where you are going to place the tape. For a lifted look, the tape should be applied as an extension of the lower lash line. Place the tape at the desired angle. If you are uncomfortable using tape on your face at all, instead you can apply loose powder with a dampened beauty blender or sponge. Next is eyeshadow. Since I'm going for a neutral look today, I'll be using the brown shades on the right side of the palette. Depending on the look you're going for, any color would work as long as you have a color that is similar to your skin tone, a medium shade, and a darker shade. This pattern is quite easy to find in many palettes. For example, in this palette, I can use these three shades. And in this palette, I can use this light beige shade, this medium brown shade, and this dark brown shade. So back to this palette, first I'll be going in with this taupe brown shade using a large blending brush. The eyeshadow is quite powdery and has a lot of kickback, but that helps me build the color up easily. Because I'm going for a lifted look, I'm keeping the eyeshadow low right above my double eyelid line. This means that I'm not bringing the color up to the crease. Also, I'm not applying any eyeshadow on the lower lash line to keep the eye lifted. Next, I'll be going in with a darker brown shade on a smaller blending brush. This color looks really dark on the pan, but it's not too pigmented, so I can easily adjust the intensity. I'm applying the dark brown shade on the outer third of the lid, again staying on the same height as the first brown shade. When I remove the tape, there is a sharp angled line. If you went too high with the blending, or if you want to soften the sharp line, you can just apply the eyeshadow that is closest to your skin tone with a blending brush. To make the eyes more lifted, I'll be creating a wing with a gel liner. You can also use a brown liner for a softer look. To lift the eye, I'm creating a small wing following the line from the tape. You can see that I didn't do a good job. The line is not sharp or straight at all. But this can be fixed using a little bit of concealer on a flat brush. Then I'm tightlining my upper waterline with a dark brown eyeliner. I always use this one because it's very thin and very easy to use. Next, I'm applying mascara on the top lashes so that my lashes will blend in with the false lashes. The final step is false lashes. There are many styles you can choose from the line, but I chose this one because the lashes are not too dense. I cut the lash into 3 sections. I'll be using the middle section because it's not too short or too long, and it would blend in nicely with my real lashes. I'm applying the false lash on the outer third of my eye and under my real lashes. This makes my eyes look less round and the lash band is undetectable, which makes the lashes look blended and more natural. If you are interested, I have a dedicated video on how to apply them safely under the lashes. And this is the final eye look. Creating a sharp angle, keeping the eyeshadow low right above the eyes, and applying false lashes on the outer third are 3 tips I use to achieve a lifted eye look. If you have the same or similar eye shape as me, I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.